Hey ho, Sylvia here. Guys, welcome to my Maeve review. So guys, as you can see, I am right inside the members area of Maeve. And Maeve has been launched recently by 3 of my beautiful colleagues from my super affiliate training course, Ministry of Freedom. And this is them. Let me show those beautiful ladies who call themselves digital dames. That's Paula Marie, Nanda, and Kafaya. Alright, so they have teamed up quite a while ago, and they have released already quite a few of amazing best-selling products. And this time they have actually launched, they have launched this product. They have approached our mentor from the Ministry of Freedom, Jono Amstrong. Jono Amstrong is this guy here. Let me show him to you. So Jono Amstrong is actually the creator of our super affiliate training course, Ministry of Freedom. This is him here. And guys, when you're on the sales page and you get to the sales page via my bonus page below my video, check out this review. It's hilarious. It's very funny actually. Anyhow, back to Maeve. So what is Maeve all about? Well, in a nutshell, those 3 ladies will show you how they have made themselves some serious bucks with a method called Google Discovery Ads, with Google Discovery Ads. And this is like the latest cutting edge update of Google AdWords, right? AdWords. And it will allow you get people from free traffic sources from YouTube, from Gmail, and the content network, so-called one. But they will explain to you more about this in this training course, and it would teach you all about to have success with Google Discovery Ads. They have had a crazy, massive success with it. Anyhow, guys, if that's something for you, if you want to, tap into this source of passive income, then, guys, stick with me as I will be giving you a walk through this product, and I also have some amazing bonuses to offer to those who decide to pick Maeve via the link below my video. So let's check out the bonus page. Now this is the one you are looking at right now, and again you access it by clicking below my video. So here we are. Now on my bonus page you will have like a short description of what this product is all about, and then all of the prices with the upsells, some key benefits, key features, key benefits of Maeve. Here's like a demo video, not a long one, something like 6 minutes. Okay, and here's the bonuses. And bear in mind, these bonuses have been put together actually by my mentor Jono Amstrong, so the guy also behind Maeve. And they have been put together to complement Maeve beautifully. And my mentor has allowed me to share the bonuses with my buyers who buy Maeve via the link below my video. So here's the first one. The first one will give you access to ClickBank Mastery course. So this is basically like a tutorial on ClickBank. So as we know, well, you may not know, there are those platforms where vendors put up their products, where they launch the product. So we have the most popular ones would be Warrior Plus, JVZoo, but there is also ClickBank, and ClickBank is a very interesting one because it's a bit like Warrior Plus and JVZoo, but it allows a very wide variety of niches, and also you don't have to apply for the affiliate link in order to promote products from ClickBank. So it is awesome to know how to get the best out of ClickBank. Alright? Now, the bonus number 2 is 2 high quality traffic sources to use. So the more traffic, the I mean, the traffic is money. You need traffic to, to sell your campaigns, whatever you would be promoting. Then bonus number 3 is how to accelerate your Instagram traffic, so another source of traffic, right? And then bonus number 4, access Jono's YouTube ads course. So again, this is a course on YouTube ads. Now Maeve will be on Google ads, right? But YouTube ads is another extremely powerful source of way of making money online. And then last but not least is all of the vendor bonuses, and the digital dames have gone insane. They give you so many bonuses that they have thrown on top of just the front end. So yeah. Now to buy this product, guys, is via the link below my video, and then once you land on my bonus pages, you just click on this green button. That will take you through to the sales page, where you essentially click here to get instant access. As you can see, the price is $12.97, but on the sales page you will have this pop-up where when you kind of pretend you want to leave the sales page, this pop-up will pop up, and then it will give you this discount code of 30% discount. So you can actually get it for 30% for around $9, just under $10, which is pretty crazy for the quality of this training. I mean, like, it will really empower you and give you all the tools that you need to make crazy money with this method, with Google Discovery Ads. So anyhow, so once you've bought this product, guys, you will receive an email with the receipt that will redirect you to a platform called Warrior Plus. That's where you access the product. Now, just to make it clear for you guys, my bonuses will be here where you see this blue button, the circled one, and the product Maeve and the vendors bonuses will be under the green one. Anyhow, I hope you're not too much disturbed by the noise. I am in the countryside in my homeland of Poland, just chilling out at my parents'. Still doing some work. Why not? You just need the laptop and internet. I got my internet sorted, and here I am, back to work. Anyhow, so this is my bonuses, guys. I think they're awesome. They will really complement Maeve beautifully. Now let's very quickly check out the sales page. What do they claim? Just go through the headlines. So the closely guarded secret: discover how to tap into Google's 4.1 billion traffic pool to make us passive 1,435 plus a day. So this is the money they have been making, and they actually give you a case study where they show you how they have made this money, and it's amazing. So it's not like some kind of pie in the sky. You don't know where the money came from, but they show you how they have utilized this this way of making money themselves, and this is like legit. This is real because they have made it themselves. So anyhow, as I was saying, check out this funny video here. And then we have all of the income proof, some testimonials, money back guarantee, all of the usual stuff on the sales page. Now let's jump into the members area. So first you will have the welcome to Maeve. So this is gonna be by Jono. So Jono Amstrong and the Digital Dames. Then you have the introduction. Right here, the power of Google Discovery Ads. So yeah, they will explain to you much more in detail about Google Discovery Ads, so you get a good level of understanding about this way of making money. And then you will have the resources here. So how to create your Google Ads account, they'll show you from the, get-go. So you won't be lost. They will be holding your hand and showing you exactly what you need to do. Then how to marketplace optimized profile. Okay, so about the profile setup and how to apply for your affiliate links. So you can apply for your affiliate links here. Okay, cool. And then this is the one. This comes with this like software that will create bonus pages for you. All right. So let me show you how this one actually works. So let's click on this, and hopefully my internet is quite good. Actually, I am impressed. Anyhow, so this is like a software that will generate those pages for you that you can just promote, and you will input your info there, your details, your affiliate link, your pixel. As you can see, you can name it, input your affiliate link, so once someone buys via your link, you obviously get the commission. And then that's where you input your pixel, and then you will have, I believe, around 5, or is it no? It's Golden Stash, Nova, Get About, Broke, Twitex, Xena, and Profit Force. So you will have 6 best-selling products, okay, ready to use campaigns that you can promote, input your affiliate link in there, and make profit. Very easy way to make it, to make some good money. Okay, and then we have the, one second. Then you will have some bonuses here as well, and then express campaign setup. So how to create your conversion pixel and discovery ads campaign setup. You see how they give you everything you need to be successful with it, and how to boost your conversion rate. So some tricks and tips on that. And the case study, this is the one I really like because it's extremely motivational, inspirational. They show you exactly how they have made it themselves. So it's very, very, it's a real thing, it's a real deal. And debrief, what's that? Let's check it out. Oh, it's like a recap. Yeah, okay, kind of like a conclusion. And then here you can access the bonuses, and here's like a bunch of different insane, a bunch of excellent bonuses the digital dames give to you if you just pick up the front end, which is actually just $10 at the moment. And access to scale your income. This is the upsells, guys, and you can access the upsells right from inside the members area. Okay, now let's jump quickly to my bonus page, because on the bonus page you will find all of the here we are. As you can see, my bonus page that you access by clicking on the link below my video. So we have the front end for $12.97, but as I said, you can get 30% discount. And then you will have all of the upsells. Guys, do check them out in your own time. There's quite a lot of info, but again, you can go through it in your own time by clicking on my link, and it will bring you to this very bonus page, the sweet child of mine. But I just want to bring your attention to maybe the upsell number 1, because it gives you 25 additional done for you high converting funnels. So 25 additional campaigns that you can use. You can just input your affiliate link there, and voila, and you can use them. So in the front end, I just want to clarify that you have 6 campaigns that you can use done for you campaigns. But with this upsell number 1 for 37, you can also get it for 47, the downsell. You get access to additional 25 campaigns. And then you can outsource the whole thing with the App Store number 2, so it's, it's quite pricey, but then it's a huge money saver. And then some more upsells. You can sell it as your own product as well and get 100% commission, across the whole funnel. Cool. Alright, I won't be taking any more of your time. I hope you have enjoyed this review and you have found it helpful. So this is what it is in a nutshell. Yeah, that's how the digital dames, my lovely colleagues, show you a beautiful way, with Google Discovery ads to make money, and they have used it themselves. They have made some impressive income with it, and they're sharing it with you now. And if you want to buy it, don't forget the link is just below my video, and with that, if you pick up just the front end, you are getting my insane bonuses, which will help you get the best out of Maeve. Alright, ciao. I shall see you in my next review. Bye bye.